Hello and welcome to free .NET tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video, I will discuss on OOPS concepts. The OOPS concepts I divided into four, like data encapsulation, data abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. Well, first we see a data encapsulation in this video with an example, with a brief explanation, like. Encapsulation is the concept of hiding the data into the single unit. Okay. Basically, encapsulation is depend upon the private and public members. For public member, we can access all functions, all the features, and if you keep private to that function, you can't access the thing there. Okay, let's see with an example and you will be getting it easily. Let's run our Visual Studio. With new project. And go to Visual C Sharp, Windows Form Application, press OK. What I will do is let me take a button here, and you just double click on it. You see a button click event occur, and you see a public partial class of form1 of form. So here we are using a button click event, and let's create a class here, like class employee. Okay, so let me take integer salary, bonus, and total salary. Okay, so if I start with our public void, and I'm calling it the salary method here. Here what I'll do is I'll give some values, like for the salary 5,000 and bonus equal to some 300, and TS equal to, what do we need to do? We need to add this salary plus bonus. Okay, and I'm trying to what I'll do is I just use a label control to display the salary. Is L, let's take here. Okay, so label okay, so what I'll do is I just display this in message box, so that is show, we need to show that thing. So ts dot toString, okay. So what I'm doing is I'm calling this public method using this button click. I'm trying to call, so let's create an object using our emp class, like employee1 equal to new instantiate our class object now, and let's call our, when you try to see that, when you keep dot to here, see, you see a T salary. Okay, the total salary here. Let's see what comes if I kept like, let's complete this T sal. If I change the private to public, public to private, and I build now, you see an error like inaccessible due to protection level. It is protecting. That is a main topic, like we are hiding the data using private method. Okay, that is what the pipe public and private does. Let's change this to public and run our program. What I'm doing is, when I click on button, you see the salary amount is, it's displaying in message box. Okay, now let's see how to display in a message, in label control. Okay, so what I'm doing is, I just use this void to int, so we need a return. Let's comment this and let's write return ts. Okay, what I'm doing is, I'm returning the value to ts, so there should be some integer I. Okay, so let's take ret, return value. Let's build now, see if there are any errors. No. So label dot one dot text equal to return dot to string. Okay, so what I'm doing is, let's run our program now. Let's build it. Oh, build succeeded. When I click here, you see our total salary into our label control. Okay, that's what our public do. When you clip your private, change it to private, it shows some error, like some protection is there to this method, so we can't call from our other event or any class with to access this class. We need to have access, like it should be public. Okay, that's all for this small example on our data encapsulation. We'll see further topics in our next videos. See you then. Bye bye.